أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Allah is beautiful and He loves beauty and He wants us to be beautiful. My name is Monica. I am Polish, but I have been living for a long time in Spain because of job, and I thought that it was the purpose of my travel. But I was wrong. My purpose was to find Islam, to get to know about Islam in Spain. Because in my country, in Poland, there are Muslims, but not many. And in Spain, I met many Muslims, and before that, I was thinking that maybe there is a piece of truth in different religions, but I could not find one religion good enough for me. I was even thinking maybe I will have to invent my own religion. But finally, it was not necessary because I found about Islam, and I just loved it because in Islam there is no one between you and Allah. There is no need of other people. There is no need of institutions. It's very simple and very profound. Even the word, some scholars say that even the word Arabic word insan comes from the word nisyan. That means forgetfulness. And it's something very characteristic for a human being, one of his great weaknesses, that we forget easily. And dhikr is something opposite to forgetfulness. So I think it's beautiful, and we should remember Allah all the time because it helps us to control ourselves and to remember the purpose of our existence. I think the best dhikr for me is the simplest one. I am not Arab, so sometimes I make dhikr in my own language. I don't have to make dhikr in Arabic. But if I make dhikr in Arabic, I say Bismillah, I say Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. There's a hadith that says that if you repeat 100 times this dhikr a day, your sins are taken away like they would be the foam of the sea. And I say, every time I can, I say Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. And this is the essence, this is the most important thing for